With the release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the industry is buzzing louder than ever, and for good reason. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a potential game changer in the realm of compact aerial photography. DJI has taken everything users have come to love about the Mini series' portability, user-friendliness, and high-quality footage and pushed it even further. For those who've followed the evolution of DJI's Mini drones, it's clear that with each version, the boundaries between hobbyist and professional capabilities get blurrier. The Mini 5 Pro proves that you no longer need to choose between performance and portability. DJI seems to have found that elusive sweet spot that drone enthusiasts have been waiting for. This drone is built for the modern-day creator, whether you're a globe-trotting traveler capturing mountaintop vistas or a content creator filming cinematic sequences on urban rooftops. On the flip side, powerful drones come with bulk, extra cost, and, in many cases, regulatory headaches. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is DJI's answer to that age-old conundrum. They've packed a powerhouse of performance into a drone that skirts under the 250 grams legal limit in many regions, meaning fewer restrictions and more freedom to fly. Just looking at the design tells you this drone is serious. It might be lightweight, but it doesn't feel like a toy. Every curve, every button, and every foldable arm screams premium. DJI didn't just try to make it smaller, they made it stronger. Despite its compact size, the drone feels solid and ready for whatever conditions you throw at it. Even better, DJI has refined the build to improve weather resistance. It's not waterproof, but it handles gusts of wind far better than previous versions, giving you peace of mind whether you're filming a windswept coast or an elevated cityscape. The real magic, though, begins with the camera. At the heart of the Mini 5 Pro is a half-inch CMOS sensor, larger than what's typically seen in drones of this size class. Footage is crisp, the motion is fluid, and color reproduction is rich and accurate. The wider lens allows you to grab more of the scene in a single frame, which is a huge benefit for sweeping landscape shots. The drone also handles high dynamic range situations impressively, balancing bright skies with shadowy terrain to create a balanced, professional look. Low light performance is another standout. Whether you're capturing sunrise hikes or the golden hour glow, the Mini 5 Pro delivers clear, vivid footage even as the light fades. But what's performance without endurance? The Mini 5 Pro offers a commendable 30 minutes of flight time on a single battery, enough for most casual and even some professional shoots. Pair that with a couple of spare batteries, and you've got the juice for a full creative session without interruption. The range is equally impressive. Thanks to DJI's renowned acoustic transmission system, the Mini 5 Pro can maintain a connection for up to 10 kilometers. That's not just about distance, it's about reliability. Your feed stays clear, your controls stay responsive, and your footage stays uninterrupted even in complex environments. Safety and control also get major upgrades. The Mini 5 Pro comes loaded with obstacle sensors that give it near 360-degree awareness, depending on the version you pick. It detects what's ahead, behind, and below, and in some models, even to the sides. The drone doesn't just stop when it senses something, it reroutes intelligently. Whether you're weaving between buildings or flying over dense forests, the drone adapts to its surroundings with AI-assisted flight paths, keeping your creative flow smooth and uninterrupted. Smooth footage also relies heavily on stabilization, and DJI delivers yet again. The Mini 5 Pro features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which holds the camera rock steady through sudden movements or gusts of wind. Combined with DJI's in-house software stabilization, the footage comes out cinematic, clean, and ready to publish. Whether you're zooming over city traffic or panning across mountain ranges, the image remains steady and immersive. What truly sets this drone apart, however, are its intelligent flight modes. DJI's AI features have always been a highlight, and here they shine brighter than ever. From subject tracking that locks onto moving targets like runners or cars to orbit modes that elegantly circle around a focal point, the drone takes care of the hard part. You can plan flight paths, set waypoints, and even let the drone make decisions mid-flight. The return to home feature is more refined too. If the battery dips low or the connection gets spotty, the drone doesn't panic. It finds its way back safely, often with surprising accuracy. On the software side, DJI has stepped up its game with a revamped DJI Fly app. It's intuitive, responsive, and packed with useful tools. Navigation is smooth, camera settings are only a tap away, and even beginners will find it easy to operate. You can edit footage directly in the app, add background music, trim clips, and push content straight to social platforms. For creators who are constantly on the move, this all-in-one approach is invaluable. You also have the option to use DJI's Smart Controller, which includes an integrated screen eliminating the need to mount your smartphone, simplifying setup, and reducing distractions. So, who should be eyeing the DJI Mini 5 Pro? The answer is just about everyone with a camera passion. For travelers, this drone is the ultimate companion, lightweight, powerful, and easy to fly across borders without complex paperwork. For YouTubers and social media creators, it's a game changer. You can shoot solo in high quality without relying on anyone to help set up or manage the drone. If you're a first-timer dipping your toes into aerial content creation, the Mini 5 Pro makes it incredibly easy to learn, and the built-in safety features mean you're not risking your investment with every flight. Even seasoned professionals will see its value as a backup drone for tight spaces or stealth shoots where larger drones draw too much attention. When it comes to comparisons, the Mini 5 Pro absolutely overshadows its predecessors. It leaps ahead of the Mini in virtually every department: better camera, longer range, superior sensors, and richer features. Compared to the Mini 3 Pro, it's a notable refinement, especially in camera quality and intelligent flight capabilities. While the Air 3 or Mavic series still hold the crown in terms of raw power and versatility, they also demand bigger bags and a heavier commitment. For quick, on-the-fly creativity, the Mini 5 Pro reigns supreme. Outside DJI's ecosystem, few competitors can match the level of refinement, software integration, and overall performance DJI delivers in such a small package. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just a drone, it's an enabler of creativity. It empowers users to explore, to capture, and to share in ways that weren't possible just a few years ago. Whether you're flying for fun, for work, or to bring your storytelling to new heights, this drone offers a level of freedom and performance that's hard to beat. In a landscape filled with compromises, the Mini 5 Pro feels like DJI's most uncompromising compact drone yet. If you've been waiting for the perfect combination of power, portability, and intelligence in one sleek machine, your wait might just be over. This is the drone to watch and the one to fly in 2025.